So today we are going to continue our topic, the solar system. We are going to cover satellites and star, the object that revolve around the planet. The object that goes around a planet that we call satellite. Planets revolve around the sun and satellites revolve around the planet. Like moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It goes around the earth. It takes 28 days to complete one revolution around the earth. Like the earth, other planets also have natural satellites, or we can say moon. Except Mercury and Venus, these two planets don't have any moon. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor in the sky. It does not have its own light. But why does it glow? It glows because sunlight falls on it and it reflects that light. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. It also does not have any atmosphere. There is no life on the moon because there is no air and water. Here you can look at this picture. It has mountains and very big, huge holes. So these huge holes found on the surface of the moon that are called craters. The moon appears to change its shape every night. Sometimes we see the full moon, that is on Purnima, and sometimes we only see a part of the moon. On some others day, we do not see the moon at all. So this is called new moon, Amavasya. So all these different shapes of the moon that we see, these are called phases of the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. So let's move on to next one. Star. We see a number of stars in the night sky. We are not able to see stars in the daytime. That is due to bright light of the sun. The stars are huge balls of gases which give out their own heat and light. They appear tiny because they are very far away from the earth, and that's why they appear to twinkle. I hope you have observed some group of stars that form a pattern. So a group of stars forming a pattern in the sky, that is known as constellation. Some stars form patterns or shape in the sky, and these are constellations like Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion the Hunter. These are some constellations you can easily see in the clear night sky. Some people enjoy watching the moon, the stars in the sky using telescope. So telescope is an instrument used to see far off objects like stars, moons and planets. And some people who study the sun, moon and planets, they are astronomers. We call them astronomers. So today we will cover up to this. Tomorrow we are going to learn about the earth and the movement of the earth. Thank you.